Hi, I'm Attorney Nick Alcock. If you've been arrested for a crime and you think there may be a warrant for your arrest, you actually don't have to go and hire an attorney to perform a warrants check for you. There's a simple phone number that you can call. It's through DPS, and that number is 602-223-2345. Again, 602-223-2345. And when you call that number, there are some people that work for DPS that are very helpful, and there's some that are less than helpful. You may need to call back a couple times, but you can actually speak with somebody over the phone and determine whether or not there is a warrant for your arrest. I suggest that when you call, you just be as courteous as possible and basically as professional as possible. If you act like you are a paralegal, if you act as if you are someone who works in the field, they're more likely to give you information than if they feel like you're just a private citizen. That's just been my experience. They're good people over there, but it's just something to keep in mind that you want to be as professional as possible and have all the information available. If you're calling for somebody else, you want to have the correct spelling of the name. You want to make sure that you've got date of birth and other information that might be applicable to the situation. So, for example, what court might there be a warrant to look in? This is an all of Arizona search, but sometimes it helps them, especially if it's a common name, to narrow it down to the court. So if you know that you're arrested in Phoenix, then you want to say, well, this is probably a Phoenix case. It could be a misdemeanor, it could be a felony, but it would be a Phoenix case, and that would help them narrow it down. So if you have any questions about how to resolve this warrant, just give us a call, 602-989-5000, 602-989-5000. You may be able to pay a bond. There are motions that lawyers can file to reduce bonds or to release people on their own recognizance. If there is a warrant, there are things that we can do to quash warrants. Every case is different, and some people are not bondable and some people are. So it's definitely a good idea to get all this information before you walk into court and basically throw yourself at the mercy of the judge. You want to have a very good idea of what to expect and what you're looking at. So our number again, 602-989-5000. To call DPS, 602-223-2345. And again, just when you call that number, have all the information ready, be as professional as you can be, and they're actually very, very helpful when you speak with them, and they'll be able to give you a good idea as to what you're looking at. Thanks so much for watching. Appreciate it.